This is Jake. Jake had a simple dream: to speak English fluently. He wanted to talk to people from other countries. He wanted to travel, work in good places, and feel confident in conversations. So every day, Jake studied hard. He read grammar, books. He watched English videos. He listened to podcasts. But still, something was missing. When Jake tried to speak English, he got stuck. He forgot words. He felt nervous. His mind went blank. Why? Because he had no one to talk with. No one to practice real conversations. And without practice, he could not improve. Jake felt alone. He started to think, is English too hard for me? Am I just bad at this? But the truth was, he didn't need more books. He needed someone to talk to. One evening, Jake thought to himself, what if I can find an app to talk with others online? It sounded simple, but maybe, just maybe, it could change everything. So he searched. He typed English speaking app into his phone. He tried many apps. Some apps were boring. Some didn't have real conversations. Some asked for too much money. Jake felt tired, but he didn't give up. Then, one day, he found it. It looked different. It wasn't just lessons or grammar tips. It was all about speaking, real practice, real people. Jake opened the app. He saw many amazing features. Talk with real people online from all over the world. Join topic-based discussions like food, travel, hobbies, daily life practice with AI avatars, friendly bots that speak like real humans. Try roleplay with AI, practice. Job interviews, restaurant orders, casual chats, learn new vocabulary and get speaking tips, and the best part, he could practice anytime, day or night. Jake clicked on Start. He was nervous. His hand shook, but then he heard a kind voice. Hey there, how's your day going? Jake smiled. It's going great, thanks. That was his first real English conversation, and it felt amazing. Later, he practiced with AI too. The AI said, let's pretend I'm your boss. Tell me about yourself. Jake replied with a smile. I'm Jake, and I love learning new things. He laughed. The fear was gone. Day by day, his English got better. He felt more confident. He even started helping other learners too. Jake's life changed because he found the right way to practice. If you are like Jake, if you want to speak English but don't know how to start, try the app Peer Up that helps you practice with real people and smart AI. If you want to know about more English learning apps where you can talk online with real people, just write Part 2 in the comments. I will make another video for you about a different app that helps you speak English with others. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English class for more easy English learning videos.